Okay, 2013 Royce Family Hairstyle Competition. I'm going to bring out our first. Okay. Almost to her. Be close, show her your hair.
You gotta turn around. Turn back around.
Miley,
Turn back around.
Miley, give him your little flip. Flip it. You ain't gonna
Do this, Miley.
take it.
Do it.
Okay, come on back. That was Miley. Now here's our second. Well, I guess he's a little camera shy, but this one's not. Here's our third.
Oh my.
Okay, let's see what the people vote. Hey, you guys vote on Facebook. 1, 2, or 3. Peace out.